Fires in populated urban zones can quickly transform into serious emergencies.
Ay, la desesperación de la gente que está perdiendo todo.
In cities across Israel, built-up areas are particularly vulnerable when such events unfold.
Oh my God. Opa. Filhote.
على معمد واي اغتل الخا بكيوسك של ג'וב. גאו כאן. אתה מתחיל להזין את המים? כל הצוותים המטפלים, אני רואה בדיוק לכם, לכולם חיפוש הנפגעים, ומה אתם פועלים?
Plumes of smoke rising between residential buildings often prompt an immediate reaction from local services. Fire brigades respond swiftly, navigating narrow roads to reach affected neighborhoods. The coordination between emergency responders ensures rapid containment efforts. Residents are sometimes asked to leave their homes as a precaution, guided by safety officers. Temporary housing facilities and shelters are made available for displaced individuals. Fire crews work continuously to extinguish flames and prevent further damage. Local authorities share accurate updates, helping to reduce panic and misinformation. Community volunteers often step in, offering assistance and basic supplies. Events like these reveal how essential preparation and public awareness truly are. Urban firefighting comes with unique challenges, especially in areas with older infrastructure.
In the front.
All right.
I'm on fire.
While damage can occur, lives are protected thanks to timely intervention. Cleanup teams enter the scene once conditions stabilize, restoring public areas. Environmental specialists assess the aftermath to ensure safety going forward. Public discussions often follow, focusing on fire prevention and building safety standards. Such incidents highlight the need for modern emergency planning in dense regions. Emergency drills and fire education programs help residents act with confidence. These events bring to light the professionalism of emergency crews across the country. This video is created with accuracy and responsibility in line with platform policies. We avoid exaggeration or false claims and focus on public service and information. It's a reminder of how quickly situations can evolve and how communities adapt. The unity displayed in times of crisis is something worth sharing and recognizing. Let's continue supporting those who protect and rebuild after such challenges. Resilience is not just a word, it's something cities and citizens demonstrate in moments like these.